All right, y'all. I thought the news cycle was over with what's going on with my store, which is why I told y'all I wasn't going to beat this dead horse. But apparently the news cycle's not over. They just released the body cam footage today, and there's some things about that I want to talk about. So let's check out the newest release footage that the news station took of me.
First at 6, the gas station in southeast Austin where police shot and killed a man last month after an hours-long standoff is back open today. We're expecting APD to release body camera footage of that incident on Salt Springs Drive tomorrow afternoon.
And our J.Lo Washington is joining us now. And J.Lo, we know that you caught up with an employee who had a really traumatic moment here, a gun pointed at him. How is he?
Yeah, that is right. This employee actually owns his own taco and burger stand and a service kitchen inside of the gas station. His name is Sax Williams. And as we are showing you here, he actually decided to document the entire situation when that man who police shot came into where he works. Now, 2 weeks later, Williams is out of thousands of dollars after that SWAT standoff affected his business. But today, talking with me through everything, he's really just thankful to be alive.
How you doing, my brother?
Boarded up, but back in business.
Salsa verde, salsa roja.
Sax Williams did not know if he'd be here after what happened a couple weeks ago.
I had just had a customer leave, and I just cleaned up the grill, and I was standing here, and I heard gunshot. And then I was like, wait a minute, that's a gunshot inside the store. I grabbed my phone in case I got shot and the guy got away. I at least wanted to have it on video. I walked around the corner here, and I just held my phone down by my hip.
Hey, get out, bro.
Okay.
A gun pointed at him. Sax says he ran out.
He allowed me to get out. I didn't get the vibe from him that he wanted to hurt me at all. I thought I heard a gunshot in there.
Police were already outside the Texaco gas station. They say they spotted 35-year-old Alfonso Gonzalez in a stolen car and followed him there.
Holy, I don't know where my other employee is.
That employee hid in an office and later got out unharmed.
Get your hands up.
No other lives lost, but the damage.
It's bad. As you can see, we are missing the entire front end of our building.
Sax tells me he had to throw out food ruined by SWAT toxins, and his freezer now.
All the ones that you see are bare are always stopped.
And he's out of thousands of dollars. Doing what he loves, he'll show up as long as his customers do.
And it was a random situation. Like, the man didn't come in here to rob us. Whatever he was going on with in his life, it escalated, which is tragic.
Mr. Sax Williams, by the way, just opened up his business a couple of years ago, so he's got a GoFundMe to try to get back up on his feet. And the employee who hid in an office inside of the store, who we told you about, was back at work today as well. I got to talk to him. He told me the man who police shot was banging on the door, trying to get in, and obviously just too emotional to share his story on camera. He did tell me, though, he is thankful to be alive as all of this happened 2 days before his daughter's high school graduation, which he was able to make it to.
And then let's move on into the body cam footage, and let me give you my analysis of that. Let's go.
I'm clear. What's up, man? Come here, man. Get over here. 205, he's not complying. He just went back in the store. I'll wait till 204 he gets here. Yeah, I think so. Hispanic male, skinny, bunch of tattoos all over his arms and legs. Yeah, if you can work on Air 1, I don't think they're going to respond. So he went back towards the register, so he might be going towards the back, but Maurer went around to the back. I can't either. There he is. He's in the back. 205. I can see him. He's still peeping out, like, towards the back of the store.
I'm gonna move over to you, dude. Get out of the store. Get out of the store, man. Is there a rear exit?
Okay. Shit, I thought that was a gunshot.
No, he rolled over a can or something. I heard the same thing.
Oh man, well, I was
24396. You can go to the back, but he says that the door might be bolted. He can't get out with the key, but he's not sure.
This is crazy.
All right. 205. We're gonna move up to Macon. We got K9 with us. Last time I saw him was in that back room. He's still there. Hey, get your hands up!
Gun!
205. He's got a gun. Hey, drop it and put your hands up now! Hey, Debbie, come on back out. Come back out with us.
So I've been receiving some backlash lately like I'm trying to stand up for this guy. That's not what's going on here. I'm not standing up for the man. What he did was completely wrong. I know I'm the one that's asked out and about to lose my business. I'm literally about to lose my business because I really don't know how I'm going to recuperate my money. And I've had GoFundMe helping me out, which has got me back open again. But I'm nowhere close to where I need to be able to keep going. I'm probably going to end up having to shut down at the end of this. Hopefully not. I'm a strong dude. I'm going to keep pushing. But my point is, I just didn't feel that it was necessary to kill the man, which is the whole thing that I've been saying since the beginning from my inside perspective. So this is the part that I really want you to focus on this body cam footage, is this right here.
Gun! 205. He's got a gun. Hey, drop it and put your hands up now! Hey, Debbie, come on back out. Come back out with us. 205, he's got a gun. Hey! Drop it and put your hands up! Now! Hey, Debbie, come on back out. Come back out with us.
Now, if you didn't catch that, let me raise the volume and let me slow it down a little bit, because I heard the man multiple times say, I don't want to hurt nobody. I don't want to hurt nobody, man. Which, to me, lets you know that out the gate, the man is not really trying to hurt anybody.
205, he's got a gun. Hey! Drop it and put your hands up! Now! Hey, Debbie, come on back out. Come back out with us.
Now, with all that being said, seeing the lens through a different eye, you know, seeing this going on through their body camera from their view, I can understand a little bit more on why they backed up out the door right out the gate and stuff like that, things that I was criticizing earlier. But I'm just doing what I do. I criticize what I see and my personal take on a situation. Now that I've got this view, it does alter my opinion some on the police officer's actions. You know, I don't no longer feel so much that they could have done better at the beginning, because now I'm seeing it through their lens. However, I still, by far 100%, do not believe the man needed to die at the end of this.
Gun! 205, he's got a gun. Hey! Drop it and put your hands up! Now! Hey, Debbie, come on back out. Come back out with us.
However, at the end of the day, you know, a life was still lost. Business was lost. Things was lost. You know, I just thank God that I'm still here, even though I don't think the man ever wanted to hurt me. Clearly, I don't. And I don't think he wanted to hurt anybody. Thus, us replaying and slowing down and turning up the volume on him, telling the police when they came in, yo, I don't want to hurt nobody. I don't want to hurt nobody. I think that's a very important, critical part of this situation that's going on. So there's a lot more body cam footage. I don't have that, and I don't have the time to be digging through that, and I'm not going to keep riding this train on this situation. But I did want to bring some awareness to this, because I felt like I owed a little bit of an apology on my criticisms before, because I just really thought, you know, in the beginning when the cops first went in, they could have handled it better. Now maybe they still could have handled it better, but looking through the initial part of this through their lens, I don't think it was handled wrong. You know what I mean? So I'm just saying, I don't think the man needed to die by the end of it, but this is at the very beginning. Y'all got to remember that this went on for hours and hours and hours before they decided to decease the gentleman. But that's my opinion again. But anyway, I just thought I need to bring this y'all's attention, and I'm done. I'm not bringing this up again. All right, it's over. It's over. All right, so something I need y'all to know about me. I'm a very prideful man. I don't ask for anything, but I'm at a critical mass right now in my situation. So if you can help through the GoFundMe, it will really, literally help me out, because I am literally at the brink of having to shut my business down, because I can't compensate for all the losses that I've had. So the GoFundMe got me enough groceries where I could open back up and run this week. But I'm already sold out of product, and unfortunately GoFundMe is quit sending me the funds y'all been sending me, because my ID was expired, so they put my transactions on pause. So the money you send me is not coming to me right now. They got it on pause, so I have to now put that into somebody else's bank account so that I can receive those funds, so that I can keep operating, which I'm going to set that up with my brother, my older brother Jimmy, and hopefully things will go smooth like that. But I really could use your help. Really don't like to ask for help. It's not my style. It's not like this is not what I want to do, but I also don't want to lose my business. So if you can help, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to put a GoFundMe link in this at the end of this video, or in the description of this video anyway. And if you can, I don't care if it's $1, 75 cents, it all helps. But anyway, I love y'all. Peace. I'm out.
Get out of here, dude. He's got a gun. Get out of here.